Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm doing good, carrying my pregnancy pretty smooth, and I have a little complications though. I do have them, like swollen legs, swollen feet, so I have to wear my compression socks on the regular because we have in my family weekends, so it just runs through the family. But I know a lot of women, they struggle with it during their pregnancies as well. A basic problem, so nothing special. So I'm not complain in general. But they are getting bigger and bigger, getting more round and round, gaining little weight. The girl is gaining weight, like the girl who is inside me, okay, it's going to be healthy girl. Yeah, I'm telling you, I can feel it because right now it's June, so I'm entering my third trimester. It is literally 3 months until I push out a new life, and I still can't realize and still can't process in my head that I'm going to be a mother for my it's going to be my very third time. And I don't know the reason why I don't really like to think about it. Maybe that moment when everything is going to happen kinda scares me. I don't lie. I haven't even started packing my hospital bag because I'm simply trying to stretch out that moment because I'm afraid. Like, yes, I gave birth already 2 times, but I'm still afraid because you can't tell how it is going to happen, how it is going to go, and easy or it's going to be complicated. At that moment kind of bothers me. I don't know what to expect from the labor. The labor scares me, yeah. So I try not to think about it, and when it's gonna hit me, it's gonna hit me. And that moment me I gotta start think how to deal with it. But no, it's not really right. Yeah, I feel looking at the face of the danger and say, yes, me ready. Yeah. And right now I'm going to take my second blood test. So far I had only one blood test in my first trimester, so it's my second blood test. In Jamaica, I don't know if it's island wide, but I can say for my doctor, that's what she does. She never really checked me on the chair regular, and I love that fact because I hate going on the chair. If you're a woman, you probably understand what I'm talking about. When you spread your world in front of the doc, in front of the doctor, in front of your doctor, and the doctor goes in and out and checks, digs for the gold. So my doctor, she never done it on regular. I think she's done it only one time in my first trimester. Yeah, she checked, and the rest of the times it was only ultrasound checkups. She would just put the machine on my belly and the remote and check if baby alright, and the baby organs, them if they're alright, if they are on its place, and listen to the heartbeat. And that what my visits were about mostly. I'm glad. Maybe that's why me not take it serious. Cause let me tell you something. When I was giving birth in Asia, my 2 times, I don't know why, but them doctors, they love to go in and out pretty regular. So right now we're gonna do road. We have blood test and something else. I'm gonna remember what we should do. Yeah, blood test and what. Yeah. All right now. Whew. Well, I take my words back when I said to you I don't need maternity clothes. I feel like I need a couple of them. More than I need, because right now my S size can barely fit me I'm feeling like a sweaty cow right now. My boobs, they got big. They're getting ready to produce my sweet like sugar milk. Yeah, because I'm for breastfeeding. I'm gonna breastfeed here. And right now, yeah, at the belly makes me so hot because it's not easy to rock belly when it's so hot outside, even though it's not so big, though it's not very big. My belly's not that big, but I'm getting big, right? Oh, I'm getting big in my face too. Like,
no, your face look.
my nose looks big. No,
Your face look alright.
Yeah, the face looks alright. I think me get like a bit meaty.
If you think so, you think so.
Looks meaty here.
If me tell you that, you know what's up.
Meaty here,
so,
meaty here, and
guys,
here, meaty here.
Any guys who watch the video, never tell them. Never tell them to them a change.
Yeah.
Tell them just the same.
My butt looks nice and fluffy, but you know, as soon as I go push out, it's gonna be like right now it's like this. When I go push out, it's gonna be like this. Because that what always happens to me. Yeah, and then you have to work on it again. So the paper said they're gonna check the glucose and something like, yeah, you see the glucose, I don't know, like maybe level of my sugar to see if everything alright. Yeah, that's the paper I need to give to the lab so they know what to do with me. Yeah, one for show people my outfit, even though not much for show.
Very big bone.
Very big though. Let's say this girl is going to be a healthy one. Yeah, and my must wear my socks to support the queens then. Yeah, but I go through it every time I'm pregnant, so it's not new for me. Yeah, remember me like that before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look cute though.
But why that big? Yeah, and this is my sandals to complete my pregnant look, but honestly they're so comfortable. Yes, I am all about comfort right now. Yes. To the lab. Yeah, it's the same place where I had my first test. Morning.
Hi.
Thank you. Oh man. Morning. Oh, may I forgive the paper? Yeah, I'm I don't know. I think a glucose something it said.
You know what she tell us?
I'm back. Yeah. Big. Yeah, man. I have to pass the urine door, but just pass it before we left the house door. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
This glucose drink. Drink it. And the next hour.
So if we wait an hour, you can go if you can come back. It is. It's just sweet. It's no glucose, man. You never drink glucose yet? And the glue.
But normally people them try to avoid sugar before glucose, don't it?
No, maybe they want to spike. No. Ask the doctor. Normally we drink glucose for sports day. We don't know if I the same glucose.
Give to the
Kids. Hummingbird? This is what we give to the kids on sports day, glucose. And your time?
I take a picture.
Alright, hummingbird. This is not the same glucose we get to like kids for sports or anything.
What?
The glucose, not the same glucose. I see one, you can say that? Oh, I see one, okay. It's him. Okay. You just one day for the same thing. Okay.
That's very sweet.
Yeah, coming out. Okay. It's supposed to be a keyboard there. I'm not the kids have been done, you know. I'm back in ideas if ever I enjoy glucose. Jiggle. So,
Scratch, no troubles.
1 hour from now. So that's 11 o'clock. I'm going to kind of come back.
That's it.
No, I
That's
said,
my
but
line.
I said, but I go if I come back now.
Short away, right?
We're not taking care though. Oh, that's the correct. I'm going to spend last time I'm coming in never.
No, man, that's the correct one.
You remember that, right?
Yeah, remember
How much it cost?
It costs 1,200. But it's much cheaper.
1,200
The
here.
first time I'm coming to do one test.
That's what a prenatal.
Prenatal.
Yeah, prenatal.
Several cases in that panel.
Okay, so
yeah,
I'll let the baby father to be husband, not the baby father. Make sure save up on the money.
Alright, I'm in the waiting area and just there wait. Yeah, I had to wait for an hour before they actually gonna run the test. And it's about 20 minutes to go. Yeah, I'm putting it there with me. Harold gone. Harold said he needed to go on the road, so he escaped. So only me and my phone. Good thing to my Wi-Fi. We just there waste my time. Me I wait them to juke me. Yeah, what a long wait. Me I have like 20 minutes to go before me I go receive. I'm going to receive the juke. Oh boy. Feeling a little bit dizzy.
Hi, I'm Latoya, your friendly flea bottomist. With Essential Medical Lab in Finance Bay. You find us at 6 Winter Street, Finance Bay.
Yeah, guys, come visit. I'm gone through. Just waiting on Errol to come pick me up. Errol luggage. Just waiting on him to pick up. Yeah, man. So Errol just came from our Airbnb place, Fisherman's Point, and he brought me a gift that our subscriber, right? Yeah, subscriber.
Stay with us a couple days.
You could take out the mask. Like a head too.
Yeah, man, say
Show me a Jamaican hat. See?
Yeah, man, say subscriber, stay with us. Thanks, subscriber, for the support.
Thank
What time
you.
everything I just random guess, but a lot of times the people would know from YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I never told her check out. She told me that.
Yeah, that's super cute.
Her name is Rosemary.
So cute. There's a pack of diapers and a lot of pretty nice things them for newborn. Oh, Avena set here. I'm like Avena. Thank you. I go put in my hospital bag, definitely, mostly. Yeah. Yep. I am surely going to utilize it. Yeah. It's time for me to pack up my hospital bag, you know. But we need to get busy and jump on that. Yeah. Thank you one more time. Rosemary, right?
Rosemary.
Yeah, big up Rosemary. What you say?
So now worry about how you're going to manage with the baby here. Or how we are going to manage it.
Baby hair. Well, first thing, we don't really know how the hair will look like.
You know, it might mix whole of curl. It might mix a little bit of curl.
I might can handle, I might cannot handle. You know, I can't tell you what happened, but they have a lot of professionals in Jamaica that are gonna, you know, got my back.
Mothers have to know.
They're gonna got my back.
But now be back.
Real mean.
Take care of
Hair salons them.
And let's say I go read it.
My doll, help. Please help.
You have to go learn.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, like my mother, she learned how to plait the hair too. Mm-hmm. So I guess that's just the part of being mother of the daughter. Here.
No, let's say she can't go hairdresser. Of course she'll go hairdresser.
Okay, so guys, we have blown up car on the road and we don't know what happened.
Yeah, somebody know tell me.
I'm trying
Hope
to.
so nobody never in it.
Yeah,
Well, so
hope
somebody must
everybody
in it,
alright.
crash,
Yeah, we went to grab some lunch, and I couldn't leave without nice Jamaican saltfish fritters. I'm going to try them. And some. Вкусно. You know, in Russia we have something like that, and we call it aladi. Aladi, but it's just a dough fried, you know, without saltfish and vegetables. But in Jamaica, you guys put a lot of stuff. Yeah, in Russia they just fry flour, but that same way, kind of same way. And it's more like a dessert, you know. Yeah, this is more like an appetizer, right? They're very rich in flavor, and I feel full after eating 1.5. Feel loaded. We're going back to pick up kids from school, and guys, one wicked traffic caught me. Yeah, we in a traffic like that traffic you don't want to see.
Traffic for 45 minutes.
Yeah, and everybody just had tried to cut the traffic from
3 kilometers.
left, right, and center.
It's mostly trucky.
Yeah, man. Running on the minibus. Danny, that's what you got? Nice.
Lizard.
Show me. Is that lizard?
Yes.
Nice. Huh? It's Daniel gave me that. Daniel gave me a clown. And a lizard. That's what Danny gave me. This is our regular stop.
Leave it alone. Put it down. You do not use pen. You use pencil. You don't need any either. Pick one. Pick a color.
Pick a color.
You want color? No, you don't use pen. Why you need a pen? Okay.
I want it up.
How much you want? Run. You just drink juice.
We don't know which one of them is smaller one again. It's bigger man.
Came back to the church area, but here them have one angry dog, so I'm afraid of the dog. One angry mongrel there, so I am very careful when I come here. Make sure I stay close to Errol. Yeah. So we came here to pick up some nice mangoes then. Yeah, man, again.
I give Leo my pen. Because he's my friend.
You alone can get the
I mean,
what a long mango?
yeah.
You mean tell them that?
Yay.
What mango do you right start?
I'm not ready. So put it down, the man. I'm not
No,
going
it's too young to put down.
Daddy, the mango's
to young. Yeah, it looks like we need. Nah, I'm not ready. Not ready.
Daddy, somebody got one mango.
Yeah.
I'm bird. Let's see one mango. Daddy,
Donnie, don't drop it. So.
Daddy, you can eat that mango.
Okay.
Wait, Slido, you can eat.
No, they may not.
Bend it nicely though.
Yeah, try find one.
Not ready.
Not even
Ain't
one.
not ready.
And you can't taste one though. I'm a second visit and I can't find one I know. I'm a second visit. So when you drop on there, so you won't eat right.
Oh God,
I think so.
Hi.
Hello. Not ready.
And just drop on one side.
No man. It's not a lemon.
No fit one out there. You see what?
No.
Oh, it's one that we look at like it could have fit one.
Wish we could have found fit one.
Yeah, I see it. See? Okay.
Yeah.
If you find one that view, my better.
Not ready. Sunburst. Too tough. No man. Them tough. Leaving empty-handed today.
Look. No, fit, even fit. Tough like that. So shall we? Oh, so pregnant one can give mango?
Yes, she wanted to eat it.
Alright, there, fit on nice? You can see it.
Oh, some pregnant lady wants to eat green mango.
No, me tell her say that can't eat. She say if you pregnant woman. How you feel how necessary Natal? You want one like it?
They're tough like stones.
Looks like a lot more people check on mango trees. Or the church lady that came out. Jabba, see the church lady is looking at us? What am I doing here? Free, we are free. Breadfruit though. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Ничего нету. Нету сегодня манго. Мы уходим с пустыми руками. Alright, we finally reach home. Yes, your traffic tired me up, I don't lie. So after reading the comments to my previous video about how you're not supposed to sleep with a baby, I said, alright, I go order something for real, like, yeah, I might roll over baby in the night, yeah. So I decided to order a baby bassinet, them call it, portable one. So I think that's for now, for like for baby first months, them to go work. That is it. I just like that it's portable. Bassinet, I saw them call it, baby bassinet. Errol, if you set it up, it is going to be standing by the side of our bed. Yeah, well, at least the baby is going to have baby own a space. Maybe even I can do it because instruction there. Can you pull it together? I kind of give up. See the instruction there now? I mean,
You can't probably do it. You don't do it.
no, you want me? I don't know. So you have to push the one and not this one. You sure? No, you have to put them through first, through the bassinet. I saw instructions and I better follow it. You better follow it. Yeah. The step one. Turn it.
Step on the same model.
Miss.
Before assembly.
No, look fine here. Look at sir. Step one. Where's step one? See the step one. You have to let it through first.
What this is tell me, please check before assembly.
Yeah. Yeah? I think so.
No, sir.
Step 3. No, different side. Step 3. Wrap bassinet sides. Over. It's probably
Put it over and zip it.
you have to zip it.
Yeah, that is what it is.
Yeah.
Somebody's in here.
Right. So we find the seat.
You see that?
All right. See there. This is it. That is the baby
No, you know,
bassinet.
put in that.
Oh yeah, I forgot to put
Mommy got
the little mattress. But you know, the next thing you know, we should set it up after washing it, cause yeah, we're probably
Never wash it soggy.
yeah wipe it.
Wipe it. This, you know, wash this man. You can wash it with something. This, you wipe
This
it. Get away to it.
here,
Yeah, you can put that and wash that if you want. But the side, then just wipe it. Don't you don't wipe and stuff.
Class now.
You don't put those.
Yes.
And you can cut off this, eh?
Yeah, probably.
You know the baby about this.
We're not gonna bite.
And
No, no, no.
Okay.
daddy, if the
Or maybe do
baby,
something.
daddy,
Right,
and daddy, if the baby puts his foot over here, it will like sting him. Because last time when I wear the shirt, it sting my
Oh.
neck along.
You see? Be a smart.
Hugs this scratch.
You have to say you can scratch your baby.
Not sure, I'll move it. And I've been cutting tags, so me know.
Daddy and mommy cut it.
It looks like
Like it, it's nice.
small, yeah, small, convenient,
But it doesn't
right
look
beside
like a
my
box.
bed. See if
Looks just like a
yeah.
box.
So if I'm me, we'll just sleep beside the baby. But you know, yeah.
But mommy cannot
Let's say.
sleep in there, she's big.
This a baby registry?
Yeah, man, but that big up people from the baby registry. Thank you, guys. See that we are utilizing baby registry donation. Yeah, boy, I really love it. Really, really love it. Yeah, just put it beside the bed. We want to see how it looks. And then you have to hide it from kids, cause you know.
See, perfect.
Oh yeah, yeah. See that?
You dip on the bed, you look over. Yeah.
Drop the baby back in it and
Just
roll over and sleep.
sleep.
Yeah, I sleep. Go sleep back. Yeah. And right side of daddy too sometimes.
Right side of mommy, you know?
To go travel. I'm telling you, it will travel. Daddy, mommy, daddy, mommy. Yeah, no skipping. Fear. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring, you know. And you are pro, so I trust you 100% with the baby. See you grow up too.
Remember, so me for teaching, I do experience.
Teach you.
We learn together.
Nice, but it needs a little bit more mattress.
No mattress, you just get a blanket.
Yeah, man.
Like a
And that.
Yeah, something. You call them? You know the right term.
Blanket. Me have a
Get a blanket and
blanket.
wrap it nice, make it a softer.
Yeah, cause that's still kind of a
Might
bit.
not push it on puppy, that's why you're pregnant and heavy.
Alright, so yeah, go with it.
And put them in the
You
room.
move out with this.
And then no say, the middle room off.
Yeah, but Danny might still go in it. This is a future room for my daughter still though. Even though we decided to leave it for now. She lucky now, she got a room for her own herself, so Leo and Danny have to share. Yeah, there's attic still. So if somebody now gonna get alone, move to the attic. But not stress me out.